Cellular Transport, Osmosis. Today we'll unravel the secrets of cellular transport, briefly covering the two main types, active and passive, as we focus on osmosis. Every cell has to move stuff in and out to stay alive, and it does this through cellular transport. There are two main types, active transport, which requires energy, and passive transport, which doesn't. Active transport is like a cell using a power source to move molecules against the flow, while passive transport is like going with the flow with no energy needed. Now let's focus on passive transport, specifically osmosis. Osmosis is like a cell's natural water management system. It allows water molecules to move through the cell membrane to balance concentrations. Water molecules move from areas of high concentration to low concentration until there's a balance and equilibrium has been reached. Osmosis in action. Plants use osmosis to absorb water and stay upright. Our cells also rely on osmosis to regulate water balance and function properly. When there's a higher concentration of water inside of the cell than outside, it will cause the cell to shrink, similar to grapes that shrivel up to raisins. When there's a higher concentration of water outside of the cell than inside, it will cause the cell to grow. If you place raisins in water, they will plump up. In summary, cellular transportation is the key to a cell survival, with active and passive transport playing vital roles. Osmosis is a type of passive transport that helps cells transport water. Thanks for joining us on this biological journey.